So guys, we're back with another video. Today we will be playing some more some s- s- some more treasure hunting simulator. Treasure hunt simulator. Past, I didn't mean to do that, but we're back with another video, and today just got an update like 2 days ago or 3. And there's some upgrades in the backpack. It's like this, 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 this. Boom. I just want this infinite. Dang, I would just want Robux. And now in the shovels. Let's see what's in the shovels. What's in the shovels? Oh, you know it. They just added this item. Oopsies, the C4, this giant shovel, the C4, giant shovel, C4 jackhammer, golden spoon. 10 million money. Dang, that's like over, like, 1 trillion pesos in the Philippines. Like, over that. Over 1 trillion pesos. Oh, wait. But, yeah. I don't know what that person did down there. But, I saw someone had a dynamite. I think it was Boxman is my friend. Just saying. So he will be joining me on this video. So yeah, so I think he threw dynamites down here. Not sure. Oh yeah, he threw dynamites down here. Yeah, the dynamite person, dynamite. No. I need this. Thank you for this. Man, he took it. Joshua is the richest person. I'm the second. Hey, it's JJ 2010 is third. Okay, I'ma just go down with him. So yeah. My God. Oh, we think some sand. My God. At least I'm digging some sand. Can you please get out of my way? I want to change my color. Like this. Yay! I want to do my own sand. Like he wasn't in here. Get away. No. Oh, phew. What chest was that, anyways? A rare chest. Okay. Hey, dude. No. Ah, I think he's digging down here. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah, I want you to down there. I want you down here. I'm gonna dig right here. What do you want you? Get up. Wait, can I jump that? No, I can't. Did he drop? Ooh! Ooh! I don't keep on finding some rare treasure chest. Mostly rare. So yeah. Dig this out. I don't want to get even numbers on this. It like cracks me up. So yeah. Ah man, this is gonna take forever to get down here. Like 166 I said until you get to them. to exploit these. The hard sand. Well, I call it hard sand because it looks like hard sand. So yeah. So maybe next video or like on when I was getting on my other video, which I uploaded today. Oh, what's up, ant? You look like an ant. No, he took it. Can you please go? Bye, ant. Are they even digging fast? I don't know if they're digging fast. I love her. That's a regular chest. Oh my god, Gigi. Gigi, get out of here. Why are you wasting Joshua! Joshua! No! Why, Joshua? Why do you have to keep on doing this? No! Oopsies! Joshua! Why do you have to keep on doing this? Does your backpack fill a little bit? I'm concerned because he's kept on going to the surface or his backpack's always getting full. I don't know. Got the last. No, Joshua! Want some sand? Joshua! I might block him. No, we don't want to go farther down. Stop going farther down. You can go. Why? This J. I don't know. 8 J's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 J's or 7? I don't know how many J's he put in there. 1. No! Oh, oh my god. No! I'm getting. Why you break it? Yeah, JJ. No. You stop throwing it on me. Stop. Stop. No. Come on, I get that. I got it. I just want to get 2,000 coins. Finally! Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I want that dynamite. How much is that dynamite? The dynamite is that's 65,000. Whoa! Holy dang! Dang! Wait, 1 second to get it. Oh, it's gonna take so long. Well, I want the dynamite. The giant shovel was really good. The metal detector, I will never get, I think. The jackhammer, but the gold. No. Golden spoon. I might not. I'm not even gonna get the golden spoon. The jackhammer? 0.25 seconds and 0.5 seconds, but this comes in more. But this is better? What? Oh my god! Oh my god. I never knew that. What? I'm just fill up 1,000 in my backpack. No, actually. Hey, you ain't gonna drop me down there. What? No, making a video. Sorry. Huh? Okay. Oh, and I play this game called Pixel Gun and Pixel Blood Online. You should see it. It's from it was really good. Some people. Damn, who puts these sands here? I've digging this for a while. I've been digging this for a while. Hey, stop it! I just want 1,000 in my backpack. I'm gonna go over this side. Oh, I can't. Oh my god! Please just let me get over here. Please! I don't want the butthole in my face again. He's so horrific. I just no. Whoa. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Stop throwing dynamite down here. Don't you see I'm trying to work? I'm gonna stop throwing dynamite on my face. I'll throw dynamite in your face. Oh yay! He's blowing up this too. Stop blowing me up! Ah! This is better. Do not get close. What are you using? No! Oh no. At least I have time maybe to dig this. He's already. He's a monster. I'll see you when I get enough money. This person. Well, technically, I am at 36,000 money away from the blow drawer thingy, the push blower, whatever it is, the stupid name is. So I'm gonna actually get that. So yeah, I'll see you when I will have enough money. It's a horrific person again. It's Joshua. Another game. Break the ant is here. No! See you when I get it. 1 hour later. Hours later. I quit! So I'm gonna get this $600 money eyeing sand. So yeah, and then I'll return back to the surface. Now I'm going to return back to the surface, and then we will be going to get it. Yeah. So we have this much money. So let's go to the shovels before this runs out. I'll meet you when I get it. Whoa. I never seen something like this. So if you like this video, guys, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite Roblox video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.